What if I told you Windows could be secretly wasting over 100 gigabytes of your C drive space? If you've suddenly noticed your C drive is running out of storage for no obvious reason, don't worry, I'll show you exactly what's causing it and how to fix it. Welcome back, guys. There's a recent issue in Windows where a bug causes the system and reserved storage to become unusually large, eating up a massive amount of space on your C drive. Let's first check if you're affected. Go to Settings, System Storage, then click Show More Categories. If you notice that System and Reserved is unusually high, chances are you're affected by this Windows bug. But here's another way to confirm it. Open File Explorer and go to your C drive. First, make sure hidden files are enabled. There are a couple of ways to do this. Go to Options View, enable Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives, then click Apply. Click the View menu, then enable Hidden Items. Once hidden items are visible, you'll see the ProgramData folder. Open the following path: ProgramData in Microsoft Windows Capability Access Manager. This is the folder that's causing the problem. Depending on your system, it could be taking up anywhere from 70 gigabytes to well over 100 gigabytes of storage. Now, here's the fix. Go to Settings, Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Also, make sure Get the latest updates as soon as they're available is turned on. Next, go to Advanced Options and check for optional updates if available. The update you're looking for is KB5095093. To verify it's installed, go to Windows Update, Update History or Quality Updates. Look for KB5095093 in the list. Here's why this update matters. On Microsoft's official support page for KB5095093, they specifically mention fixing the bug where the Capability Access Manager folder incorrectly consumes a huge amount of storage. If you don't receive the update through Windows Update, you can also manually download KB5095093 from the Microsoft Update catalog. After installing the update and restarting your PC, your storage should return to normal, and you'll get your missing C drive space back. A quick Windows update can literally recover over 100 gigabytes of storage, definitely worth checking. Hopefully, this video helped you fix the issue. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe for more Windows tips and fixes, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.